Hey guys, and welcome back to the shop. So I'm a believer, if you're gonna spend a lot of money on tools, well, you need to fix stuff when it breaks instead of buying something new. So this particular piece would cost $40 to replace. It is a wand for a sprayer, one of these like an ATV sprayer or whatever. And it was left outside in the winter time. And what happens when water expands in the winter as it freezes? Well, it breaks your stuff. So what we're gonna do is try to hammer this back into place, and we'll grind a little bevel through there and go ahead and TIG weld that up and get it pressure tested and get it back into service. There it is back together, guys. So I'm sure somebody will point out that I most definitely should have disassembled this before I welded on it, but all the rubber seals inside it are still okay. So put it back together with some new Teflon tape and should be good to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching.